James, do you want to go outside? What's the problem? James, what do you want? Mama. Say mama again. What do you want, my love? Do you want to go outside? There's no door handle there. You'll have to go back. Whoopsie. Whoops the daisy. Oh. You're very determined. Hey, what do you need? What do you want, James? Is there kitties outside? No, the kitties aren't even there. Can you say mama? I think it's nearly time for us to get some locks for the doors, hey? Oh my goodness. You can nearly reach. Oh, let's go eat. You want to go eat? Have your bottle?